Alright, for those afraid to use pressure cookers, I'm going to show you how simple this is with a Ninja Foodie. That top there is for broiling, air frying, baking, whichever. This top, however, is for pressure cooking. And it's as simple as put it on and turn it, and it's ready to go. You do have to make sure you put the knob on the back, face it forward, and that's what holds the pressure. The little red dot there is what pops up when it's under pressure, and that should go back down before you open the lid. Other than that, it's a matter of plugging it in, go to the front, and select pressure, and then whatever temp you want. Pick the temperature, time. Oops, I didn't take the pressure yet. There we go. It's on high. Time, we're going to go for, let's go for 40 minutes. 45 minutes. And that's it. Then when you're ready, you hit the start button, and this will go round until the pressure has actually started, and then the timer will start and cook, and then it'll automatically go on keeping warm cycle until you're ready to eat it.